We are really starting to get somewhere now. We've looked at our lexis and we've looked at syntax, and hopefully we understand both of those elements. Now we need to take a look at our third and final element of our language, and that is the semantics. Now, although we might be using all of the correct words, and those words may be in the correct order, our code could still be semantically incorrect, where maybe we have some kind of error, where we're perhaps trying to divide by 0, and we know that we cannot divide by 0. Or we might be trying to access a variable, and we haven't yet in our code set the variable. Remember, with an interpreted language, the interpreter reads line by line. So if we're making reference to a variable, that variable must have already been defined. We also might have the correct elements, the correct punctuation, if you like. But it's not semantically correct to add a string to an integer or a number. So this is going to produce an error. So we have the three elements of a language: the lexis that defines the dictionaries, the word that we're using. We have the syntax that defines our word order and the extra elements of the language, the punctuation. And then we have semantics that make sure everything that we are putting together makes sense.